Hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can solve the issue of no internet connection or any kind of a network error like you're unable to log in or your time is getting out like you are not able to sign into the Epic Games or you're not able to open the Epic Games due to any kind of network error. Now in order to fix all of that, all you need to do is to just simply go to the search menu. Here in the search bar you need to search for internet options. Once you search for internet options, you need to hit enter. And here, just simply go to this option that says advanced. Here, when you scroll down under the security section, here you see this use TLS 1.2 and use TLS 1.3. Now make sure that both of these options that says use TLS 1.2 and 1.3 are check marked. If not, just simply check it, hit apply and then hit OK. Now restart your system once, and when you open the Epic Games, it will start smoothly.
Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.